After that, just install certificate. Okay, you can see just installed. Okay. Hello everyone. So you can see in my website SSL certificate is expired. So now I am going to show you how you can install it for free in your WordPress website. So first of all, just go to the dashboard and go to plugins and add plugin. Now we have to install WP encryption plugin. So just search it. Okay, so here is the plugin. Install it. Now active the plugin. You can just skip. Now you can see we have a free version here. Just select this plan, and here you have to put your email address. Okay, and click it. Agree. Then click here. Now we have to verify. So first of all, go to your cPanel, and from cPanel go to File Manager. Okay, so here is so here is lots of websites. So if your website is in the main domain, then you have to go to public HTML. Okay, if your website in other domain, just go to that domain like this. So my website is in the public HTML, so I'm going to this, and here you can see I have already this folder. Okay, so you have to create a folder. You can see here what it's saying, like you have to create a folder dot well known if you don't have it. Okay, so just create this folder here, and also you can just go to setting and show hidden files. Then you will see all the files, and here I have already this folder. Just I'm clicking here, and already I have that folder also. So you have to create that folder also. You can see here, sorry, here it's saying I have to create this folder also, Acme challenge. So after this folder I have to create this folder into the well-known folder. So I have this folder already. Now download these two file. Just download file 1 and file 2, and just need to upload the file into that Acme challenge folder. So let's go, and I have this file already, but I'm going to delete all the files. Now I'm going to upload those two files. Here you can see, just okay, one by one. Let's upload. Okay, upload done. Just go back. Okay, now what we have to do, just see here, just we can verify now. HTTP challenge. Now it's verified. You can see it's verified. Okay, so now we have another task left. Now we have to put this. I'll show you where. Just go to your cPanel here and search SSL. Okay, SSL certificate or name if SSL. I forgot. Just checking here, not here, not here. I think Namecheap SSL. Just let me sign in with Namecheap. Okay, it's in like SSL and TSL certificate. So I am going to use this one. Let's update the certificate. So here is my domain. You can see this domain. I am going to upload this domain, and here is the certificate CRT. We need, where is the CRT? Here is the CRT. Just copy this, and sorry, here is the CRT. Paste it, and and here is the CA bundle CRT. Copy this private PEM, and private key is here, and it should be here. So after that, just install certificate. Okay, you can see just installed. Okay, it's installed, and it will be expired in October 20. So it's for 3 months. So it's for 3 months, I think. Just let's check. Just go enable HTTPS now. Just click here. Okay, so it's done, and we have got our SSL certificate for 90 days. So after expire, just follow the same process, and you can generate again for 90 days. So this is how you can use like free SSL certificate. So you can follow the same process, and you will get it. So I hope this video will help you. Let's see you in the next video.